Hi everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide rows and columns, as well as how to add rows and add columns. So let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is, let's say we wanted to hide. Let's hide actually Honda brakes. And let's say, for example, you need to present this to a client, or you needed to just print this off. The first thing we're going to do is come over here to the top, and we're going to right click on this, and we're just going to click hide. As you can see, it's hidden. And now you can do a Control P to print this, and it'll just print this area. And you can see with an image here, the preview of it once it populates. Now, to unhide this, you can see right here between, it'll go L, M, and it's missing the N. The first thing you want to do is hover over it. And as you see it hover over, you'll see two arrows going to the left and right. All you want to do is double click on this. And there you go. So now it's showing back our Honda brakes column. The other way of doing this is coming over here again, clicking on the N, coming over to Format, and coming over to the column. And then you want to hide. And there you can see that it's hidden. So now if we wanted to unhide this from the Format button, you can come over to Format, Column, and Unhide. And there you go. And now we'll do from the row. So it's the same concept. You're going to come over to, let's say we wanted to hide Monday's values. We're going to highlight the whole cell by left clicking on 10. And then we're going to right click and we're going to hide. And there you go. Now it's hidden. And now to unhide this, we're just going to double click on this area. And now to do it from the Format button, again, come over to this area, left click on it, click on Format, and we are doing the row, and we're going to click on hide. And then to undo this, come over to Format, come over to row, and we're going to click on unhide. Now let's get into adding a column. So let's say we forgot information over here and we wanted to add some kind of title in between the Honda brakes and the Monday rows. The first thing we can do is come over to this area, click on number 9, and right click on it, and just click on insert. And what it's going to do is going to insert one row above. So now we can do that again. We could come over here to 10 and click on insert. Now if we want to do a column, we could come over to the top here, again, right click and click on insert. So that's everything for the video. Let's get into the next lecture.